Hello everyone. Many of you were disappointed with limiting the availability of Microsoft Copilot for enterprise customer with minimum of 300 seats. Also, Microsoft 365 Copilot free trial is not available. If you are not lucky enough to get access, what we can do now? You may try some free alternatives, although not as powerful as Microsoft 365 Copilot, but worth trying, like Enterprise Bing Chat in Windows 11, Sales Copilot, Dynamics 365 Copilot in customer service, field service, marketing, and sales, Power Platform Copilot in Power Automate, Power Apps, Power Pages, and Power BI. You may refer to my videos on mentioned copilots. Irrespective of whether you got access or not, or waiting for the access for Microsoft 365 Copilot, Microsoft 365 Copilot adoption resources will help you definitely. Let's take a tour of Microsoft Copilot Adoption Hub. So you can see Microsoft Copilot Adoption Hub. I have placed the link for this in my description. Microsoft Copilot combines the power of large language models with your organization data, also known as Microsoft Graph. It works with your apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, and more. Please notice the difference. ChatGPT and Bing Chat cannot access data from Microsoft Graph. So it differentiates Microsoft 365 Copilot from Bing Chat and ChatGPT. It is stating Microsoft 365 Copilot is generally available, but only for enterprise customers who have minimum 300 Microsoft 365 E3 or E5 licenses. For small and individual customers, we have to wait for some time. Prepare for Copilot, learn how Copilot works. These are the blog articles. I highly recommend you to join Copilot community to see what's happening in the field of Microsoft 365 Copilot. For every role, Copilot has something to offer. Whether you are a business user or leader or adoption manager, IT professional or developer. You click on any role like business user. For every role, there are specific blog links or Microsoft documentation and other useful resources. Okay, for business user, let me click on one of them, like download tips on Copilot Prompts. Please notice that generative AI, which is Copilot in our context, AI can only do good for us if we ask good. So good quality of prompt can lead to better results. So we have to understand prompting is an art as well as a science. So tell Copilot what you need, include the right prompt ingredients. So this guide will give a good idea how to write prompt for getting the best output. So focus of this video is just overview. So I'm not going into depth of the prompting. Let's go to leader or adoption manager. In case of adoption manager, you will see download the full adoption kit. So anybody who is implementing or planning to implement Copilot, it is an excellent resource for them. So using this adoption kit, you will be good to go to start Copilot. What's new in Copilot? You will see a lot of articles in context of different announcements in space of Copilot. Like for example, Bing Chat pricing, Sales Copilot, Enterprise Bing Chat, and upcoming things like Copilot in Microsoft Stream. What you can achieve with Copilot? As I mentioned, prompts are very important. So here we have lot of documents in context of prompt skills, Copilot for you, Copilot for your team. There are some predefined featured prompts. Better is the prompt, best is the answer. So how to craft prompts, you can learn from the Copilot Prompts Guide. As Microsoft 365 Copilot is available from all the Microsoft 365 apps, so these are the 9 apps where you can use Copilot. Let me take tour of one of them. For example, I click on Copilot in Excel. Learn more. So here we can see what capability we have with Copilot in Excel. Let me try this one. If I have access, I can try in Excel from here itself. In case I don't have Copilot, I can learn more how to try once I get the license. Documentation, how to use some simple prompts. Like I did in Excel, you can try for other apps as well. So this was a quick overview of Microsoft 365 Copilot adoption journey. I have shared all relevant links in description. Stay tuned for detailed information about Microsoft 365 Copilot. Thank you.